Now, guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP USD. So first thing first, guys, to those that are yet to subscribe to the channel, please, you are new and not yet subscribed, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's start with the trend right here on our GBPUSD. As you can see right here, guys, you can see that the trend right here is on a downtrend move. Market is what's literally trending to the downside, right? Now, pay attention to this moment right here. That was the time that market literally rejected from this resistance zone right here. Whereby market rejected, you can see that on this main trend right here, market is ranging, whereby market was able to come up to tap this resistance. Then we had a drop that came back to tap our support. Market was able to rally back up to tap our resistance, right? It came back up to tap our resistance, then rejected from the resistance and jumped back to our support level. Market also rejected from the support level and came back to tap our resistance. Rejected from the resistance and jumped to tap our support. Market also rejected from the support and came back to tap our resistance. Right now, market is rejected from this resistance and it is dropping. So we would expect that drop to continue to it is able to tap our support level. So a bearish move is still what we should be expecting on our GBP USD. Now, take a look at this. This is our low. Here comes the lower high, which is a pullback. This is also the lower low. Here comes the lower high, which is a pullback. Now, this is also a massive low, and here comes the pullback, which is a lower high. Now, market was able to drop a bit. It has come back again to retest the same level, rejected from it, giving us a multiple rejection, right? Market dropped a bit, and now market came back to retest the same level. So with this level that market has tested, we should expect a rejection and expect market to actually drop one more time. So we should be anticipating for the sell for the day on our GBP USD. So this is one of the reasons why if you are not yet in the sell, look to going for the sell. But if you are already in the sell, still holding your sell position, because with what GBP USD is doing right now, GBP USD is literally ready for the sell. So be anticipating for the sell. But if in case market goes ahead to give us a bullish move for the day, thereby pushing up, then still have it in the back of your mind that either on Tuesday or Wednesday, GBP USD will start selling. So above all, get ready for the sell and only going for the sell once you get your sell set up. More update on this will be covered for you guys.